Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the lotus seed, snow fungus, pear and peanut soup. Here is my dog Diamond asking me for food. According to terminology of Chinese medicine, lotus seed is said to calm your nerves, whereas snow fungus is full of collagen, which is good for your skin. Also, with pear, they both nourish your lung. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Soak snow fungus in cold water. Add a tablespoon of vinegar so it will expand faster. Measure sweet rice, skinless peanuts, and lotus seeds. Snow fungus, lotus seeds, and skinless peanuts can be found in Chinese herbal store. If you find a small piece of green stuff inside lotus seed, you should remove it because that thing tastes really bitter. Pour into Thermomix and add water. Cook for 50 minutes at speed 2 at 100 degrees Celsius. Alternatively, you can cook on stove at medium heat for 50 minutes. Peel skin off from pear and remove the core. Cut into smaller pieces. After the snow fungus expands, squeeze out excess water and cut away the dark yellow part at the bottom of fungus. Cut into smaller pieces. Add fungus and pear into soup and cook for another 10 minutes. Do the same if cooking on stove. After 10 minutes, blend everything into a smooth soup. Texture should be like this. Pour out. You may add sugar to taste, but I always skip because pear and sweet rice is already sweet. It's especially beneficial to enjoy in the fall season. The yummy and nourishing lotus seed, snow fungus, pear and peanut soup is now ready to serve. Enjoy!